I'm James Swinney, and here is your morning market brief. We first begin overseas with the major Asian Pacific markets mostly lower, with Japan's Nikkei 225 index down 0.69%. However, India's BSE Sensex index, that got rocked down a total of 3.18%. Meanwhile, European markets continue to trade in the red across the board, with Germany's FTSE leading the way, down 1.5%, and U.S. stock futures, they were pointing towards a lower open after the Dow Jones is down triple digits, 110 points, to be just a slight bit below 14,850. Now we take a look at the three major economic data points today. U.S. home prices, they increased 2.2% in June, marking another month of fast growth. The consumer confidence index today, that rose slightly in August to a reading of 81.5 from 80 in July. And the Richmond Fed manufacturing index, that surged for the month of August, rising to a positive 14 reading from a negative 11 reading back in July. Meanwhile, overseas, India's rupee hit another new low intraday, hitting 66.075 against the U.S. dollar. The currency had already hit a record low of 65.56 last Thursday, triggered by the government's announcement that it would indeed be providing $20 billion in grain subsidies to the poor population of India. Meanwhile, in Germany, business climate index, it improved to its best level in over 1 year. The IFO Institute's print for August saw a tick upward of 107.5 against 107 expected and 106.2 the previous reading. And after initially shrugging off Secretary of State John Kerry's remarks on Syria, Brent crude oil prices this morning up more than 1% to $111.89 a barrel, a level not seen since February. U.S. traded WTI crude futures are up more than 2% intraday, and gold prices also up a slight bit more than 1.5%.